So guys, I just tested a new video cable, and as you can see, everything is looking pretty. So as you can see here, I have the original cable here, but I just doing some testing to ensure. I'm going to go ahead and restart the computer, but I'll be monitoring it to make sure that the issue is the data cable. And as you can see, so far no glitching. Also, I have the battery disconnected, so I want to believe that this is a easy fix. As you can see, this laptop had a bad screen, and I recently replaced this laptop screen, but there's a data cable issue. You can see the old data cable here. You can see the ribbon here. So I just connected the new one just to do some tests. So I'm also restarting the computer as well. So I'm restarting the laptop as well. And I'm just observing just to see if the issue is fixed, guys. So I'll conclude this video and let you guys know if it was successful or not. So yeah, so I just connected the battery right here, and as you can see, the laptop is being turned on here, and there's no glitching. So guys, this is a fix. You can actually see a mark on the plastic. There's a protective plastic on the screen, but basically guys, everything is good. We just have to install this cable properly, but for us not to waste our time, we are just making sure that we test everything, make sure that everything is legit. So I hope that this was helpful in some way, and if it was, you can let me know in the comment section below. I'm out. So guys, we replaced the data cable and everything is working. Everything is working flawlessly. No glitching, no issues or anything with the screen. Definitely guys, we are good to go. I do have the back cover to put back on, so definitely that's the only thing that we have to do, but everything is working. The screen is working, no glitching, no issue, no problem. So I hope that this was helpful.